N.Srinivasu, and my project is location monitoring in wireless sensor network. Mm, in this project is we propose a technique for continuous monitoring of range of queries over moving an object. The range of query may be defined by an admin selected area, a map window, a polygon, or a circle part of road of the segment. The problem of a proximity monitoring in road networks, given a proximity threshold and a set of moving objects, they are within a distance to each other. Proposed technique for same problem in the Euclidean space. Both of the techniques assign each moving object and region such that as long as the object that remains within this region, it does not need to be report its location to the server. For example, to add a sensor node, first of all, if it is a number or it's a key generating code or someone else to add in our databases to monitoring that device or that node. Add a sensor node. It is a polynomial pool based key pre-distribution. It is an algorithm name. Polynomial pool based key distribution is an algorithm name. It will be I will be defining that algorithm afterwards. It gives a number to the database to store where the object has to be moved from that signals receiving that station, nearest stations. I have to given 2 or 3 numbers in that area. Yes. Okay. I will be start up the 2 nodes where these objects have to be move or not. Okay, this is an database. Who are all that numbers to be added from in our databases? It will be shown. Select a node to sensor using a probabilistic generation key pre-distribution. For anyone who find out that number, you will select that number. After that object will be moved from one place to another. Okay. The number will be shown where the data where the object can to be moved. This number is on 9952520272. His area is an Vadapalni signal and its coverage is better, and another number, it's a 9629292208. Its area is an Ambika Empire Hotel. Its nearest sensor station is B2. It will be located, then that object will be moved from one place to another. That is a 100 feet road. It will be changed on the area of 100 feet road. Its coverage is better, and the sensor station is B8. Sensor station is nearest station of that map. The user logic. This is an establishing pairwise key with a mobile sync in sensor node. If a unauthorized person, it's in security. For example, cryptographic process that message. Asymmetric is a notable among block cheapness for its expensive key setup pace. It starts off with the subkeys in a standard state. You have to give a key 1, 2, 3. It will be create, and the username and password, the authentications. It will be log on to that number. It's an establishing pairwise key with the mobile sync in the sensor networks. It will be shows under modules of sensor node details, polynomial and probabilistic and pairwise key. It's an algorithmic process. It shows encrypted the data and decrypt the data, and another that is encrypted and decrypted data. And graph 1 graph 2, it's an sensor node where it will be moved from graphically to displayed. And compromising sensor nodes are to generate an automatical key, it will be displayed. For example, in the sensor node details, you have to give a sensor node details, enter the key to check whether the correct person's mm, the authorized person will inside that inside to to that to that data, to that database. The key will be matches, check that key, the data will be shown, the node id, which it is an to displayed on x and y axis from that roadmap. The object will be moved from one place to another, it will be calculated from the x and y axis to that roadmap. The polynomial key will be the unauthorized persons to see the data if it is an decrypted key. The probabilistic process and the pairwise key, it will be asked from the key to display the data, the correct data will be displayed. And that graph 1, it is a compromised polynomial pool based node to be displayed from whether the object moves x axis and y axis to the distance based whoever to watch that object from one place to another, it will be shows that graphically. That's all. And that graph 2, is an secure data link, it's polynomial pool based data. Compromise node, it will be calculated from that composite q composite and f composite of algorithms to be calculated from the graphically to move the data from whether which place is starting place and which ending node of that data, it will be completely record the movements from the admin side. It's also same. Okay, thanks for using the Paris key based distribution. This is an automatically key generated the pairwise key distribution, key generated operations in this way. The key, I will be animated the screen, generated graph to display the time, key and subset, or the key will be automatically generated. Start whether the node will be moved from one place to another. I will be plotted that area to that syncing time and key to the mobile sync in the sensor networks. Okay, thank you, Pranav.